keep him satisfied.
Hello everybody, it's Charlotte here. Welcome back to my channel. I am heading off to Sydney tomorrow, which is very exciting. So I thought, why not use my brand new camera? Oh, the brand new camera, Look at that, look at that. Oh, G7X. Like, I was the only person in the entire world who didn't have a G7X. But guess what, now I do. So I thought I would do a pack with me video. I'm starting to pack now, and I thought I would just film with you guys. It's like 4 o'clock. Laying out some outfits. So I've got my white pants from Zaful, and I've paired it with these. I have these 2 long sleeve tie up tops, but I know I don't need to bring both, but I've got like a pretty big suitcase, so I was like, may as well. So I feel like this will be one outfit. I'm going for 5 days, if I haven't already mentioned that, which I probably haven't. But yeah, I'm gonna get packing, and I'll like show you guys some things that I'm thinking of bringing. Also, my scrunchie is really cute, isn't it? Yeah, excuse my makeup, it's gross, but my highlight's still popping, so that's fine. So from my clothing rack, which is a bit of a wreck at the moment. Oh, okay. I'm gonna take this, really cute. I'm definitely taking this, my favorite dress ever. If you haven't seen my Princess Polly haul on my Instagram, make sure to check it out, Michelle Beauty. 1 for the plug. So taking this top. I'm probably gonna take all my new clothes, TBH. I'll take this just I don't know, just in case it's okay. This, I'm gonna take my scrunchie off, not super tan. So I think I might take this just if we go out, because that is a really cute dress. It's by Indie House, and I'm definitely taking this top. Once again, I'm definitely taking this top. See, what the heck is wrong with me? Like, Charlotte, you're so annoying. Like, just pack light. Okay, so I'm gonna take both of these skirts, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna wear this one, but I definitely know I'll wear this one, so that is a yes. With these, I don't think I'm gonna take this, because I love this dress. And then I'm not taking this, but with jackets, I think, there we go. I'm going to take my denim one, just because it matches everything. And I don't know about these, because like, the weather's nice. I might take the black one, but I'm not sure yet. Okay, I feel like this is the point where I've laid out like 1,000 clothes that I definitely don't need, but then I sit down and be like, I have no clothes. Like, oh my god, all these outfits I've worn like 50 times, seriously. But then I'm just like, actually shut up, Charlotte, like, you have enough clothes. You can see we have a lot of animal print and polka dots happening. Kind of unintentional. I just happened to have that at the moment. But we have a few colored pieces. I have a few yellow tops. I have this like fluoro pink bandeau that I'm bringing. I don't know if I'm actually going to return this or not, because it kind of fits weird, but I brought the receipt with me so I can just return it in Sydney if I need to. I have a set. I don't know if I'm gonna wear it, probably not, but I thought may as well just bring it just in case. I have a massive suitcase anyway, so like it totally would fit. What else do I need? Like the bottoms I'm bringing, I literally see, this is the thing with me, I have a pair of white pants, I can't wear those every day, and obviously I can only wear this skirt once, and this once. Well, I don't even know if I'm gonna wear this or bring this, I just pop them in the pile, see what my mum says, but I'm gonna bring a pair of jeans, but I don't know. I thought I'd show you guys the temperature. So when we arrive, it's 27, which is really annoying because we arrive at like 2:30, so we won't be into the hotel till like probably like 4 or something. So we miss out on the hottest day of the week. Then on Saturday, it's 17 degrees and windy, which is annoying because that's like kind of the weather here in Melbourne. Then on Sunday, it's 18 and cloudy. Then it goes 19 and cloudy. And then we got a little bit better weather, 21 and 23, and that's when we leave on Wednesday. So I'm really hoping this app is wrong and we get some better weather coming. For accessories, I'm going to bring this belt because this is my go-to. However, I'm bringing my jeans. They're a little dirty, I think, but I'm hoping that I actually don't wear them, because I wear those jeans to death, and like, I'm going away. Like, you gotta wear something different, Charlotte. But then more accessories. I wish I could bring that, but like, let's be real, I'm probably not gonna wear it. I'm going to bring this scarf because I'm low-key obsessed with it, and I really, really want to wear it in my hair, on my bag. I'm not sure, but definitely. And then I think I want to bring this This is a clip belt. Oh, that's right. I need to bring like comfy clothes and like pajamas, duh, obviously. I think I'm gonna bring, oh, I bring my poison top. Except I think it's a little dirty, to be honest. I didn't really prepare for this. Probably should have like washed a bunch of clothes, but I didn't, so that's really fun and fresh. Oh my gosh, my room is so messy. We're gonna put you somewhere else. Okay, no, it's just not gonna work today, is it? That reminds me, so we're staying at a hotel for the first 3 days and they have a gym there. So I'm gonna bring my gym clothes. I really want to film a travel workout routine because I thought that'd be really fun. So I'm bringing 4 dresses, 2 of which are more like fun, like going out day dresses. Like this one's like a really cute floral one. So I've got those, and then I have 2 kind of going out dresses. I've got the silky one that I love, and then I have this like really pretty white one because I need some going out clothes just in case like I go out for dinner or something, because I know we'll end up doing that for sure. Quick break, gonna get something to drink. Say hi girls. Hi. Hi. Kombucha. I'm gonna drink some kombucha and do some more packing. Yum. As for jewelry, I'm going to pack these. So I just got these from Supre. I thought they looked so cute, like little hoops with little things on them. And then I got these, which were literally on sale for $2, which I think is a bargain and a half. I'm bringing this necklace, which I'm wearing the other one right now. Then I'm gonna bring some silver jewelry too, because I'm like wanting to wear more gold, but I was like, may as well bring some silver as well. So I'm gonna bring these, which is my favorite, my Charlotte necklace and my rings. And I actually have to take these back to Supre because I bought some gold hoops, but both the clasps snapped off of those. So I'm gonna pop that all into, oh gosh, into here. As for shoes, I'm gonna bring these bad boys, which I am currently obsessed with. I got these from Princess Polly. You can use my code Princess Charlotte for 20% off your order if you'd like. I'm obsessed with these shoes, and I didn't own any sandals, so I decided to pick these up. I'm gonna wear these on the plane because, you know, these are the ultimate favorites. I think I've never had shoes that I've loved more than these. Actually, that's kind of a lie. I was obsessed with my my Air Forces for so long, but then they turned to crap, so I'm obsessed with those now. I'm gonna bring these for if I go to the gym. You're probably thinking, Charlotte, why are you bringing Converse to the gym? Because my runners are like 2 years old and they are broken. And when I mean broken, I mean the metal in the back of the shoe is stabbing into my foot. So I need new runners, and I just go to the gym in these because I don't like run in them or anything. Like I'll go on the elliptical on them. It's a bit late. My voice, what the heck, okay? It's a bit later now. I really need to have a shower, wash my hair and scrub my body and fake tan. Why was that hard for me to say? But I'm still packing, probably because I like sat on my phone for like an hour and ate dinner and I was just being annoying. So with the packing situation here, it's a little bit out of hand, but like it's totally fine. I actually just found out that I'm meant to be sharing a suitcase with my mum, even though we can each bring one because that's like our limit. They're like, no, we can't all have like this massive suitcase, which is over there, for like literally 5 days. Like that's ridiculous. And I was like, no, like please let me have my own. They're like, no. So I'm just gonna pack my stuff in there, and if they want to put their stuff in there, hopefully there's room. Let's get packing. So it's the day of leaving and I just packed all my makeup right here. I'm obsessed with this. Like, look how amazing this bag is. Also, I hate checking my makeup in because I'm so afraid they're gonna break it. So I want to put it in my carry-on like I do all the time. So I need to figure out a carry-on to bring because there's no way I am checking in my laptop and my makeup. No. I have a fear of things leaking, so I decided to bring some Fast Tan, which is like nearly empty, and some like bronzer. I know my tan gets a bit patchy after a few days, so just pop that on. Then I've got all my skincare in here. I've got skincare, perfume, deodorant, I'm gonna pop this in the good old pineapple bag. I'm packing my carry-on right now, and I'm just gonna bring, it's so heavy, this Lush bag that I have, and in there I've got my makeup and my laptop, and I'm gonna grab some snacks to put in it. Hey Dad. Dad's not coming with us, so it's a bit sad. My favorite bars, these are the Bar Counter Chocolate Crunch and Salted Caramel. I might just bring them both because it's only an hour and a half flight, so I'm not going to need like that much food or anything. Bag. I just dropped a coat hanger on my foot. This is the bag I'm bringing, and I'll just pack that. So my suitcase is packed. It is way too overpacked, but it should reach the limit. Let me zip it up. And there we go. This dirtiness is the work of American Airlines, by the way. So got that. It's not that heavy actually, so it should be alright. And then we got this bad boy, everything in there. Got my bag, put my shoes on, and I think I am good to go. So that is it for my little come pack with me, or pack with me, whatever you like to say, travel essentials. So excited. I'm literally so excited because I have not been on a plane or away in like a year exactly. I went to Queensland with my friend, but I can't do that anymore because my passport is house. So yeah, that is it for this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed seeing what I packed. Something new, something different. I'm actually going away soon somewhere super exciting. So if you'd like to see another one of these for a different climate, let me know. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure to give a big thumbs up if you did, subscribe if you haven't already, and click that notification button to get notified. And I'll see all your beautiful faces in the next one. Love you. Bye.